To upload YouTube banner from Canva, this is a banner I'm working on. First, I'm going to finish up the banner. I'm going to come to my elements and go into shapes. I will add a shape to this and I will spread this shape out. Now that I have this shape spread out, I will come to position, come into this place to get my safe area properly. 1536 for the width and 423 for the height. Once I have that, I'm going to center to the middle and to the center. Now that I have it aligned, I'll go over to layers and bring this behind. I'll click on my name and start to reduce the size. Let's do 250. I'm going to bring this down like so. You see that line shows is centered, and I'm going to take this text up. This is my safe area, so I want this to show when I put it on YouTube. I'm going to make this to be 45. Let's go to arrange to align this properly. It's aligned to the center and the name is aligned to the center. Now that we have these things in our safe area, I'm going to click on this part and delete. Once you're happy with your design, you want to come over to share here and click on download. You want to download it as PNG and you click on download. Once you have that downloaded, you want to come to your studio.youtube.com in your browser to come into your YouTube studio. From here, you want to scroll this left part and come over to customization. And from here, you see where it says banner image. You're going to upload that banner image. You see that size we use to measure the size, viewable on all devices. You see it fits perfectly. This is what they will see on TV, but for our phone, this is what they will see. You want to click on done and you see it appear across all devices. Once you're happy with this, you click on publish.